This construction, we're going to create an equilateral triangle through a given point on a circle. To create the inscribed equilateral triangle, first thing we need to do is find a radius. So I'm going to connect a line from the center to the point given. Now what we're going to do is to create a circle. The circle needs to be centered at the current center. To first determine how big this radius is, we need to open it up wide enough so that we can figure out how big it is. So we're going to first open up our compass. Now I've noticed that the radius is the same size, so now we're going to draw a circle of equal radii, like so. Now what we are going to do is to create a smaller equilateral triangle through the circle. So I'm going to take a line segment and connect it to where it hits the circle, and then I'm also going to take a line segment and connect it to the center as well. From there, I need to then measure how long each side is. And this should be fairly simple as it's still the same radii as before. So I'm going to make a hash mark. And then I'm going to draw another arc. This arc allows me to determine where this next line is going to be. Here we're drawing the arc. And then from there, I'm going to connect the line segments to that new hash mark. This does seem a little strange at first, but it will look normal as we go. So now I've drawn two triangles. Next, what I'm going to do is connect this top point to the bottom point of the new equilateral triangles. This is our first length to our new equilateral triangle. From there, I'm going to measure how big this line segment is. It should be double what we've drawn before. And I'm going to draw an arc that intersects the circle in one other place. Now that I've done that, I'm going to connect to that new arc. And the darker blue triangle is our equilateral triangle.